How to send bulk emails on MailChimp. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can send bulk emails through MailChimp. First of all, what is MailChimp? MailChimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that allows business of all sizes to create and manage email marketing campaigns, build landing pages, design and run ads, and track and analyze their marketing performance. MailChimp is primarily known for its email marketing capabilities, which is which enables business to send targeted, personalized emails to their subscribers. MailChimp offers a variety of features and tools that makes it easy for business to create and spend professional-looking emails without needing any technical or design skills. Users can choose from a range of pre-designed templates or create their own scratch using MailChimp's drag and drop editor. The platform also includes email automation features allowing business to set up triggered emails based on subscriber behavior or other criteria. Now to begin our tutorial, we're first going to sign up by clicking this button over here. Now it's going to take us to this page where it's going to ask us if we want to have a premium version of MailChimp or the standard or the essential. The premium starts at $350 per month while the standard is $20 per month and essentials is $13 per month. Well, of course, we're going to use the free version for the meantime. And then over here, this is where we will need to input our information. Now first, we're gonna have to input our email address, then our user, and our password. Then you can click this box over here if you want to or don't want to receive emails from MailChimp related to any updates about it. Now I already have an account, but after you create a sign up, you're going to see a page like this. Now what we're seeing right now is the home page and the dashboard of MailChimp. Now over here on the left, you can see that we have a lot of options, such as campaigns, audience, where you can see the audience dashboards and all contacts, sign up forms, tags, segments, surveys, and inbox. We have automations where you can see the overview of a lot of things, all journals, pre-built journeys, transaction email. There's also analytics, and then website where you can create your own website, a store, make your own appointments, the domains. There's also settings and reports. Now what we're going to do first is scroll up over here and click on all contacts. Now to send a bulk email, the first thing you're going to need is people to send it to. Now over here in the audience, this is where you can add contacts into your MailChimp account by clicking the add contacts over here, and then you can either add a subscriber or import contacts. In import contacts, you can import them through another service, you can upload a file, or you can copy paste your contacts directly to MailChimp. Now after adding your contacts, you would be able to see a list of them over in this area. Now the next thing we're going to do is go on campaigns and click all campaigns. Over here, we can see all the campaigns that we have. You can see here on the left side, we can see the status such as ongoing, draft, or completed. We can also see the type by emails, automations, landing pages, ads, postcards, social posts, or a survey. You can also create a folder for your own campaigns. Now to create a campaign, you're going to click this button on the top right called Create Campaign. Now we will be redirected to this page where it's going to ask us if we want to create a regular mail, an automation, or a landing page. The choice of which option you're going to choose is up to you, but right now we're going to design a regular email by clicking Design Email. Now this will redirect us to this page where it's going to ask us if we want to select the new builder or the classic builder. The new builder uses AI-assisted tools to optimize your content, while the classic builders create a design using classic interface, templates, and style. For now, we're going to use the classic builder. And then we're going to be redirected to this template page where we can choose a template that we want to choose. Now, the template that you want to use is completely up to you. As you can see here, these are the featured templates, such as sell products, make announcement, tell a story, follow up, or educate. But for now, we're gonna choose a basic template, which is this one. Select one column, and now we are redirected to this editing page where you can hover over the different components, and you can see different icons, which means different things. Like for example, this thing, you can edit the specific block. Over here, you can duplicate this block or you can delete this block. As you can see here on the right side, we have different blocks that we can add to our email. We have text, we have box text, we have a divider, image, and a lot more. To edit your components, you can simply hover over them and then click on this icon called edit block. And then you would be able to edit the content of your email. You can simply put anything you want, and then you can change the font, you can change the style, like the font, make it italicized, you can change it to underline, you can make numbered list, or you can also change the fonts over here under the style, and then there's also settings over here. Now we're gonna save and close this for now, and then after that we're gonna click up here on the top right, and we're gonna press on continue. We're gonna click on exit anyway, and then we're gonna click on maybe later. But over here we can edit the name of our email. We can change to whom we can add to by clicking this, and then as I said earlier, when you add all your contacts, they would appear here, and then you can select a bulk of recipients to whom they would be sending the email to. You can also set the from, who this email is being sent from, and the subject. And that's it, guys. That's how you create a bulk email in MailChimp. Thanks for watching.